பிள்ளைகள் போலே தொல்லைகள் எல்லாம் மறந்த நாள். Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
How are you at 96?
Fine.
Fine. You have a message for any of our friends who is wishing you happy birthday? என்ன சொல்றீங்க?
I'm happy with the Asmi.
அதுக்கப்புறம் வேற what do you want to tell them?
World has been very good to me, and I think nobody else had so many friends who looked after me. Probably I'm one of the luckiest of men who have been taken care of by my friends, relatives.
Full Peter விடுறாரு, தமிழே பேச மாட்டேங்கிறாரு.
அப்படியே வளர்ந்துட்டேன் அவ்வளவுதான்.
Okay, happy birthday to my father.